I used to think creating NFTs was very difficult, but I'm going to show you very quickly how to create an NFT on SolSea. I want to start by saying that I created a collection first, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. But now I'm creating NFTs to put into that collection. Here are some of the NFTs that I have created. Create your NFT and save it as a PNG. I saved these as 613 by 613 squares and downloaded them all to a file so that I could easily grab them. You select the one that you want. This is for the static preview. As you can see, I have all the information I need already printed up, which is really good because it glitched on me a couple of times and I had to start over. And it wasn't a big deal because everything was here. Okay, so after the static preview, they ask you to upload your art file. Again, you're just re-uploading. Then it's going to ask you for the title. I've given them all the same name and just written them out as a number in a series. So in this case, these are tangram animals. So tangranimals, and then I gave them different numbers. Your short description, you have to be really careful of because that can only be 64 characters, including underscores and spaces. So again, it took me a while to fiddle with that, and then I just saved it to a file so that I could just copy and paste it. My description is the same as my short description, but with more information. So again, I just copied and pasted it. Make sure that you are checking your spelling and making sure that it is perfect before you start to copy and paste it over. You need to decide on the royalties that you're going to use. For most people, that ranges between 5 and 10%. For this collection, I have selected 7%. You see I'm going over and making sure that I don't have any spelling errors, ones that aren't on purpose anyway. For tags, I just picked art, digital, graphics, and collectibles. For the other collection I picked drawing as well because it was something that I drew. This is just something I put together from different shapes and modified it. I chose the personal public display, non-commercial license. My collection is tangranimals. Okay, so this is where I messed up, and I want to make sure that you're careful here because here you have to put actually the type of trait and then the specific trait. That could be like color or animal type or whatever, and then type of trait and then your specific like color or whatever. The first time I did it, I just listed all of them in one spot in one square, and then the second one I messed up as well. I put just one thing here and another thing here. I didn't realize that they went together, so be careful. It's nice because as you make your collection, it keeps what you've done before, so you know which order you had these in, and you just have to keep selecting or adding to what you already have. As you can see, like background pops up, color pops up. If I have to add a trait for one and it's something that another one doesn't have, I'll just put NA there, and I just build up as I go. Okay, not safe for work. That doesn't apply here, so just leave that alone. And that's it, because the other information, like price and stuff like that, they asked you when you were creating your collection. They say that if you are doing like a preview where you're not doing the full collection at first, and it's probably going to be at a different price rate, that you just list the number that you're going to be putting in the pre-sale, and that part's done. So as you put each NFT up, it doesn't ask you for that information anymore once you've done it once. You see how there's a place for you to connect your wallet, and then you just hit approve. It takes a while for the file to upload, and sometimes this glitches and I've had to start over. So again, it's good to have that file already there. Once it processes, you will receive a congratulations screen, and then you can go right and look at your mint. And then this is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm not verified yet, but hopefully I will be soon. And that's it.